Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today's video is about Alight Silver Watermark, a light motion tutorial. This is how it's gonna look like. So let's start the video. Open your Alight Motion and add a new project. Click on plus icon, go to Media and select your video. Now again click on plus icon and then click on text. Add whatever text you want. Then if you look on the top, there are some options. You can adjust the size of your text and choose different fonts, and also can change color of text by using them. Now go to Move and Transform and adjust the position of your text. Then you can go to Border and Shadow if you want to add shadow to the text. Now the main point, go to Effect and then click on Add Effect. Search Displacement Map. Here you can adjust the offset wherever you like. And that's it. You can export your video and save it to your storage. Result. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe this channel for more useful content. Thank y'all.